Yak sa text ng ano,
Ano?
girlfriend.
Ano?
Yak daw. So,
Oh, shout out but yours. So did you begin?
February 27, 2008.
I just have to stick to my low carb diet.
Mga alas 2 ng hapon.
Don't know answer.
Tanghali ang tapat.
You got those Angelina Jolie lips. You know what I'm talking about, don't you?
Long phone.
Alright, we can't wait any longer. I gotta shoot right now.
Siyempre, ako bila dito, kaya dapat na yung ako. Cellphone ko to eh.
Well, we can't recast. So it's gonna...
Tanggalin mo na yung toyo. Masarap yan. Lagyan mo lang ang asukal.
God, I'm not kidding.
Okay, we're moving out. You're all alone out here, so let's
Kasi naman hindi pa natutunaw yung asukal, no?
Mangga.
Hey, everyone's here.
What?
We're about to start the game.
Wrong turn to, wrong
Hey, I'm
turn.
Jake, Nina, right?
Oh, ito yung ano, unang tagi ni Rosa na nakuhaan
You
ko.
got this while you're getting out of the RV. You know what I'm saying? No food.
Oh, cool. I'm vegan. All the way.
Who's got number 2? Well, I did a number 2 back at the gas station. Come on, dude, that was fun. Sweet. Five eat.
Gusto mo ng mangga.
Twist the fate.
Sarap na kami ni Mary.
They are survival challenges, and dozens of them are scattered all over the playing area. You trigger the motion sensor, and you hear this. Explain your survival challenge. Accomplish the challenge, and you earn the right to take your radiated card and give it to any player you choose and automatically survive the day. We are going to assemble back here at 1800 hours and see who will perish in the chaos and who is one step closer to $100,000. You have to work as a team to survive the game. But only one of you can be the
Yung
ultimate
na-influensya namin eh.
See a
Dati hindi na ang iinom to eh.
Ayun yun na daw.
Nice work there. Race, what, 15 minutes, Hollywood?
Hindi, napakakati naman.
Okay, everybody.
Sobra, hindi ako natulog.
Headsets are transmitting audio and video back to the edit bay. So don't take them off.
Hindi,
And
bago
also,
pa nga lang.
cell phones, PAs, etc. Give them to Neil. He's going to put them in the RV. Have fun. Good. Okay, I'm going to follow Elena and Jake first, as planned. Just remember, everybody, let's make it feel real. Okay.
Hey, okay. I'm still gonna suck at this. Why did I let you talk me into it? You're a jerk.
Lahat na scandal niya doon. Lagi na lang inuman.
What
Hindi,
happened?
yung magandang inuman natin, hindi ko na-upload eh.
You go back to the RV.
Kasi 3G yun eh.
Drown your sorrows with me and Jack,
Pero
then
hindi na siya
the
may
game is
upload.
done. Well, that sounds like fun, but don't worry, sweetness. I won't let you.
Yung na-upload ko nga lang yung ano. Pain mo ako.
I got you back. Hey, bonehead! I grew up 2 counties from here. I never had sex with a pig in my life. Not from those stereotypes, are you, son? Outstanding! People in these parts might not take that talk too well. Might want to put a lid on it. Sounds like you funny man.
Harni pang legs ah.
Bali naman ko. Lako yung ka, Mark.
Ba't puro legs ka nga dito?
That's what you guys got the military